We have major challenges in the energy sector, and I think the biggest challenge we have is the challenge of energy poverty. More than 300 million people in India don't have access to electricity, and about 800 million people still use biomass and dirty fuels for cooking, which has huge health implications. So the first challenge that this government has is to ensure that everyone in this country is provided with at least 1 unit of electricity per day. Every household in this country must have access to electricity. And then we must ensure that clean cooking fuel is provided to everyone. The second challenge that we have is that our dependence on imported fossil fuel is increasing. Close to 40% of all our commercial energy is now imported. And this has huge implications for the finances of the nation. It has huge implications for energy security in the country. And therefore, we must do everything to make India more energy secure. And I think the role of renewable energy must be recognized here. Renewable energy has huge potential, both to supply electricity to people who don't have electricity, but also to boost the energy security aspect of our nation. And I believe that currently the focus on renewable energy is marginal. In fact, if you look at the budget allocation for the 12th five-year plan, only about 3% of the total energy budget has been allocated to renewable energy, and 97% goes to other energy sources. Interestingly, nuclear energy, which currently contributes less than half of electricity generations compared to the renewable energy, gets more money than renewable energy. So we think that there is a need to relook at the financial allocation to renewable energy under the 12th five-year plan. And from current 3%, this number has to go up significantly, because renewable energy will not only be helpful in providing electricity to rural poor, for example, through mini grids, which will make sure that every household gets 1 unit of electricity, but it will also go a long way in making India energy secure. The third challenge we have is that we still waste a lot of energy. In fact, our estimations show that anywhere between 20 to 30,000 megawatt can be saved in building sector, commercial sector and industrial sector. And therefore, we need to strengthen our energy efficiency norms. We need to make them mandatory, and we also need to provide incentives and disincentives to industry, to commercial establishments and to households to move towards energy efficient systems and infrastructure. I think that's the third major challenge that this country faces. The fourth major challenge that is in front of us is related to environmental fallout of energy sector. As we all know, coal mining, coal-based thermal power plant not only pollutes the environment, it is also leading to global warming. But environmental fallout is also from renewable energy sector, and right now, as renewable energy sector will grow, there will be ecological impacts of renewable energy sector as well. So we need to make sure that we develop our energy sector, and develop we must, while keeping into view the ecological and social fallout of this development.